Om Shanti 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 Om. There are different types of pranayamas. There are Kapalabhati and Bhastrika. They are both dynamic category pranayama. Their purpose is to open the respiratory tract and helps to clean, and it helps to separate the mind from the thoughts and prepares you to develop your focus towards practice. It's a very powerful practice to warm up and clean and ground the awareness. So there is a slight difference, but both of these practices, but their aim is same, their effect is similar. Okay, so always start with the Bhastrika. So, and with the one nostril Bhastrika will be very straightforward. So one fundamental thing is that you keep your back straight, and the Bhastrika is like you're more from the chest. Okay, so what we're going to do, we exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. That is more the active round, and it's the awareness in the chest. So it's like this, inhale, when you're not able to continue, just exhale and hold. This is called Kumbhaka. Inhale. Similarly, there is a Bhastrika with both nostrils. So sometimes you will find very hard to develop awareness to the chest, and they think, oh, but in Bhastrika, belly also moves. Of course, belly will move, but your attention will be more on the chest. That's why it's Bhastrika, because see that you're quick, there is a quick movement, rapid movement of inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. So what happened that because it's a active flow, so it's more started from the chest. Naturally, your chest will involve. So one is another way is that you are like exhale, exhale, hold. Inhale. Okay, so you understand, we can start Bhastrika with one nostril, exhale, inhale. Is easier because one nostril, it's very easy to connect, easy to focus. Then gradually the both nostril, and with the both nostril, in order to develop the chest awareness, you can keep the hands on the chest and exhale, inhale. So that you can train the awareness on the chest and strengthening the muscles, strengthen the awareness, So this way you can develop it. Okay, so this is the Bhastrika. Now similarly, a practice of Kapalabhati. Now Kapalabhati also, a practice you can always start with one nostril because it's easier to develop focus. So the difference here, you are pumping your belly. In Bhastrika, we was chest awareness. Here we are trying to have the belly awareness because the belly is pumping. So the whole technique is that you are one inhalation and you pump the belly. You're trying to pump and you breathe out. In the same time, you're not trying to overthinking of inhalation. You just focused on exhalation. And when you're pumping the breath out with the, through the belly, you're pumping the belly and your breath is coming out. It is slightly air coming in, so body adjusting, because always remember it's a part of your autonomic nervous system, so your body knows how to handle it, how to manage it. The very important and the key point here, focused on pump the belly and exhalation. And remember, it's okay, it's fine if you can do 3 rounds, 5 rounds, 7 rounds, 11 rounds, 21 rounds, and gradually increase the capacity. But the important thing is that you are aware of the method. You're not rushing. You're not, running for the quick approach. So just inhale, close the nostril and exhale and hold. When you're not able to hold it, inhale. Similarly, you can try with the both nostrils. Inhale and just pump the belly. And then you exhale, hold. And inhale. When you're exhaling and holding, it's called kumbhaka, Vahai kumbhaka. You're exhaling, you're breathing out and holding. Kumbhaka means you're holding. So, usually the gesture of kumbhaka is like this, chin slightly in. Okay, when you practice this dynamic breath, when your lungs is not prepared and your abdomen muscles is not prepared, chest muscles is not prepared for Bhastrika, and the abdomen, it's happen in the Kapalabhati when the abdomen muscles are not trained and you're going beyond your capacity. So people try to create like this. Make sure your face is not tensed. Make sure your spine is straight. Make sure you're not creating any tension in your face. That's a very important point. This tension shows that you're going beyond your capacity. Just relax, gradually build up. So the first step, your anatomical structure, your spine straight. Second thing is that your understanding of the technique is the belly awareness, pumping the belly, Kapalabhati, chest awareness, Bhastrika, and make sure the face is not tensed while you're practicing. Just relax the body. Okay? And then after when you finish the practice, you can add the kumbhaka with exhalation. So this is how we can practice these methods. And here we require a lot of patience to develop the muscles and the strength of the body in the chest muscles and the abdomen muscle. So my suggestion will be, if you can practice back bending pose, cobra pose, child pose, with holding the breath. Inhale, hold cobra pose. Exhale, hold child pose. It's also preparing the back muscles and chest muscles. Now forward bending pose, that when you're squeezing your belly, it's also very helpful. In a child pose, if you're squeezing your belly and just holding it, that's also very helpful. So all different posture like twisting, back bending, forward bending, they're very helpful to prepare your muscles and your body. Okay? Thank you.